In today's video, I wanted to talk about some exciting news regarding the Samsung Galaxy Watch and its newly approved feature for detecting sleep apnea. This is a serious health condition that often goes undiagnosed, so the ability to monitor symptoms right from your wrist is a really big deal. In this video, I'll give a brief overview of sleep apnea, explain how the Galaxy Watch aims to detect it, go over the FDA approval and what it means, discuss the rollout timeline and compatibility, and share my thoughts on the significance of this new capability. Essentially, it's a disorder that causes interrupted breathing while you're asleep. This could be due to your throat muscles relaxing too much or your brain not properly signaling your breathing muscles. The results are drops in blood oxygen levels and disruption in heart rate. This leads to poor sleep quality, daytime fatigue, and increased risks of serious conditions like high blood pressure, stroke, and heart disease. Shockingly, over 25% of men and 10% of women in the US suffer from this, and many of them don't even know it. How the Galaxy Watch detects sleep apnea. So how can a smartwatch detect something that happens while you're unconscious at night? The key is in the Galaxy Watch's sensors. It can accurately measure changes in blood oxygen saturation and heart rate, two key indicators of breathing abnormalities associated with sleep apnea. By tracking this data while you sleep, over at least 2 nights, the Galaxy Watch has enough input for its algorithms to detect signs of moderate to severe sleep apnea. Of course, it's not meant to replace medical evaluation, but it could motivate users to get tested professionally. And that could potentially save lives. In order for Samsung to introduce this potentially life-saving detection to Galaxy Watch users in the US, they needed approval from the Food and Drug Administration. Well, they now have it. This makes Samsung the very first smartwatch maker to gain FDA clearance for sleep apnea detection. It's a really big vote of confidence in the watch's sensor accuracy and algorithm capabilities. The approval states adults over 22 who haven't already been diagnosed can use the feature once it rolls out. This is a huge step forward for wearable health technology and consumer empowerment. So when does this long-awaited detection go live and which Galaxy Watch models will get it? Samsung said it will arrive as an update to the Health Monitor app in Q3 2024, so between July and September. We expect it to work on the latest Galaxy Watch 5 and 6 models for sure. Availability could later expand to older Galaxy Watches too. So if you have a Galaxy Watch or plan to get one, you might want to keep an eye on this feature. In my opinion, this FDA approval sets a hugely impactful precedent for the future of smartwatches and health monitoring. I think it's amazing that a device that we wear on our wrists can detect something that affects millions of people and often goes unnoticed. I think this feature will raise awareness and encourage more people to take care of their sleep health. Now, wrapping up my thoughts on this breakthrough approval, I want to hear from you. To recap, the Galaxy Watch receiving clearance to detect symptoms of the widespread health condition sleep apnea is an absolute game changer. I can't wait to test it out myself later this year and see how it encourages more responsible sleep tracking. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you plan to use this feature once it rolls out.